make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering.
Hi everyone, so I hope you're well and having a really lovely day today as always. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you are having a fantastic October. Let me know what you guys have been up to down below. As soon as this video goes live, I will be in the comments, so leave me a comment down below what you guys have been up to. In today's video, I'm doing something I did last year, and that is my Lush Christmas gift guide. Now, I tend to do this video for anybody basically. I've got a mixture of gift sets in here that I think would be good for pretty much anyone. Obviously, if you're allergic to something in particular or you have super sensitive skin, it's probably not the best things to be going for, but I have tried to mix this up as much as I possibly can. So without further ado, I hope you guys enjoy the video and carry on watching. This is going to be in no particular order, so I'm literally just going to go for the first one on my list, which is the Splash gift set. Now this gift set is an all year round product, so it's great if you want to get somebody something and then they can repurchase it maybe in the summertime or something like that. It's not a limited time product gift, if that makes sense. In this gift set you have 5 beautiful items. You have the Dirty Spring Wash shower gel, the Whoosh shower jelly, the Scenic shampoo bar, the Outback Mate soap, and the Ocean Salt face and body scrub. So it's all really fresh scents, really unisex. Obviously everything's unisex, but it's more of a really basic kind of scent, if you know what I mean. Very minty, very fresh, very lemony. So I just think it's an all-round great gift for anyone basically. This one also retails for £35, so it is definitely a medium price gift set. So yeah, I really love this one, definitely recommend it. Next up is one of my all-time favourite gift sets, and that is the Christmas bath time favourites. If you're a fan of Lush bath bombs, this gift is definitely one for you. It's basically a gift full of Lush bath bombs, so you can't go wrong. So for £49 you can get the Snow Fairy bath bomb, Jingle Bells bath bomb, Butter Bear bath bomb, Shoot for the Stars bath bomb, Snowman Dreaming bath bomb, Luxury Lush Pud bath bomb, Twilight bath bomb, which is an all-time fave. I am obsessed with that one. I Want a Hippopotamus for Christmas bath bomb, Angel's Delight bath bomb, and Winter Garden bath bomb. So all great. 10 out of 10, definitely a great gift for the people that love baths, or if you were buying, say, for like a group of children, like in the family or something, this would be a really great one to go for them to share, because there's so many amazing bath bombs in this gift. I love it. Next up is the least expensive on my list, and that is the Secret Santa gift set. For £10 you can get the Snowman Dreaming bath bomb and the reusable candy cane bubble bar. I think this gift set is great for literally anybody, because essentially it's £10. It's great for Secret Santa obviously, or for somebody who like loves baths but has never tried Lush before, because it's just a really nice small introduction. It's not too complicated, you're not giving them something a little bit complex to start with. So yeah, I love this gift. There's not too much to say about it, but for £10 I honestly think it's great. Next up we have the Winter Wonderland gift set, which retails for £30. This one is definitely more of a non-bath kind of gift set, because in this one you have the Rose Jam shower gel, which I believe is all year round now, correct me if I'm wrong. We then have the Sultana of Soap, Sakura body lotion, Sugar Plum shower bomb, and the Rub 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 shower scrub. So a lot of these products are all year round, so you can repurchase them in the middle of next year or something. But I just think this is a really great gift for the people that like light fragrances. None of these scents are too strong and too offensive. They're really light, really subtle. It's wrapped beautifully as well, so it saves you buying wrapping paper. So I really like this one. Not too much to say about it really. I think it's just great for those sorts of people who just want something luxurious and a really nice treat as a gift. So yeah, I love that. Next up, for £18 we have the Winter Garden gift set. Now this one is super light, super soft in fragrances. It's nothing too crazy, and you have a really nice mixture of products in this one. So next up we have the Winter Garden gift set. This one retails for £18, and inside this one you have the Helping Hands hand cream, the Winter Garden bath bomb, and some of the Honey I Wash the Kids soap. So this one isn't vegan, but it is a really beautiful gift set. I think it's really nice for anybody really. It's a really sweet, light, floral kind of scented gift, if you know what I mean. Great for those mums and dads out there that just want a nice treat, I'm not gonna lie. And obviously Honey I Wash the Kids and Helping Hands are all year round products, so they can repurchase those next year. And I just think this is a really nice gift. It's just really beautifully packaged. You also get a tin with it, so you can keep the tin, use it for cakes and biscuits and that kind of thing. So yeah, honestly, 10 out of 10, love that. And obviously it's not overly expensive, which is great. Next up, I thought I would pop in something a little bit different, and that is the the Comforter Spa Treatment. Now, I know these seem very expensive. It's an hour-long treatment experience and it is £100, which is insane unless you know someone that works there and you can get it for £50, so maybe try and do that. But I've had this twice and I absolutely love it. I don't want to ruin the experience, but honestly it's the most relaxed I've ever felt in my whole entire life. If you like bubblegum and sweet scents, you will love this spa treatment so much. I don't want to go into it anymore because I don't want to ruin it for you guys that haven't had it, but it is unreal. And last but by no means least is the most expensive Lush gift set out there for this year, and that is the Wow gift set. Now this gift set is perfect for basically any Lush obsessed person out there. It's perfect. This gift contains 31 items and it retails for £195, so it is not cheap by any means. However, you basically get everything near enough from the Christmas range. So if somebody out there absolutely is obsessed with Lush, like I said, and you know they're going to go out and want to buy everything, this is the gift for them because it is literally everything. I'm not going to go through every single item. It is on the website if you want to have a little look, but it does contain bath bombs, bubble bars, body sprays, body scrubs, lip scrubs, bath melts, soaps, shower gels. Like, it literally has everything. So if you know someone who loves Lush and you love them a lot, I think you need to get them this because it's unbelievable. So that is everything for this video. I really hope you guys did enjoy and it gave you some rough ideas of what to get people for Christmas. I have started Christmas shopping already, I'm not gonna lie. I like to get my Christmas shopping done now because I don't want to leave it last minute and panic buy anything. So yeah, I have already started. Let me know down below if you guys have started Christmas shopping yet and what you've bought for people, because I'd absolutely love to know. And yeah, I hope you guys have a fantastic day. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you very soon. Bye guys.